This small jellyfish, only around 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters, floats around in a 200-meter depth. It has an iconic orange gut, where it slowly digests its last meal. This is one of many species in the deep ocean that we know about, but actually, only around 10% of all marine species are discovered. The ocean holds many mysteries, and there are a lot of things we don't know yet. That's why we should protect it before the tipping point of no return. If you want to give this jellyfish a new home, the original painting will be up on sale for my shop launch, March 31st.